Sometimes the most realistic thing in art is the feeling that you get when you look at it. Hi, I am Katarzyna Kmiecik. I am a professional watercolor artist and illustrator, best known for my dreamlike images of fictional landscapes. I always look at nature and light through the eyes of a child. Old mossy trees, stones, and ruins that have witnessed countless human events especially appeal to me. I am also continuously amazed by the stories told by the sunset skies. Watercolor is the perfect medium for me because of its wildness and the vast array of rich textures that I can evoke with it. All my work is meant to be felt. My hope is that by being creative, I can bring more beauty into the world. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to paint warm, dynamic landscapes in watercolor, from either reference photo or your imagination. For the final project, I will show you how to depict a forest cut by subtle shafts of light. First, I will introduce you to the materials and the basic techniques that we'll be using. This includes ways for achieving smooth color transitions, softening edges at different stages, and creating textures for the greenery. Next, we cover some more advanced methods, from preserving the white space, to painting branches and leaves, to planning the different layers. From there, we will do our preliminary sketch and apply a first coat of paint. Before we will do the second, I will also show you a few tricks for enhancing the lighting. Finally, we will add the third layer, do some adjustments when it's dry, and we are done. By the end of this course, you will be able to paint any landscape, whether real or fictional, with joy and ease. You will need a watercolor set, a pencil, lifting preparation, masking fluid, and some household items. There's no need to fight with watercolor, just play around and let it work its magic.